Hey, you said I'm not going anywhere.
Huh?
I'm not going anywhere.
Isa, are you playing with water? Yeah? Oh, are you filling that cup? Oh, water on your shirt, huh? Isa, can you sing Baby Beluga? Yeah. Can you sing more?
Heaven,
Heaven above,
sea above,
the sea below,
heaven,
and a little white whale
the dove,
on the go.
heaven,
Heaven above, the sea below. Isa, how old are you?
two,
2? Almost 2, huh? Grandma taught you that. Almost 2. Yep, 21 months. Uh-huh. What's your name?
Isa,
Yeah, who am I?
Mama,
Uh-huh. Who's over there on the couch?
Daddy,
Yeah. What are you drinking?
huh?
What is that?
Father,
Water.
I had a house,
Heather's house? What's at Heather's house?
huh?
What's at Heather's house?
Pink cup,
A piggy cup? Really?
no,
No, is that a joke?
two food,
Food?
no,
No, is that a joke?
water,
Is there water at Heather's house? Yeah. Yeah.
water,
And water here at Isa's house, huh? Yep. Isa, can you say nanai?
no, is that Daddy?
Can you sing nai nai daddy?
Is that Daddy?
Is that your sweet daddy?
Hi.